What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to deposit on Deriv using Ecocash. So what you'll need to do is to go over to Cashier, and here you can see deposit, so you're naturally in the right position. And here you have deposit via bank wire, deposit via cryptocurrencies, or by cryptocurrencies via fiat on-ramp. Of course, in order to do this using Ecocash, you're going to click on the deposit via bank wire, credit card, or e-wallet. So here's the thing, we're currently under all, and when we scroll through, we cannot find Ecocash right here among the options. But in order to do this, you don't need to worry, even though you don't naturally have Ecocash as an option at this moment of recording this video. But what you can do is to go over to card and then click on credit debit cards. So what you'll need to do is to use your Ecocash MasterCard or Visa card right here to input the details, such as your Ecocash MasterCard or Visa card. Basically, with your Ecocash, you can have your virtual card or your physical card. So you can use these card details in order to deposit funds into your Deriv account. So while there is no Ecocash option, this is a walkaround in order to succeed in doing it using your Ecocash. We hope you're successful in doing this, as the option for now to deposit into Deriv using Ecocash.